Okay, so hi, this is Stunner Babe. I can't show my face, but this is a client that I just did long, small length braids for. I can't show my face because I look horrible. I've been on my feet all day today. She just finished getting her hair done. See how long and tiny the braids are. Do you love your hair?
Love it.
She's so excited. So this is the back view of the hair. This hair I did first for Jazzy Girl. She's on YouTube. It's Jazzy Girl on YouTube. I did the same hair for her. So she went on YouTube and found me and came for her own Jazzy Girl hairstyle. So this is the long micro size braids, which is, she's looking just too awesome right now. I feel this hair is on me right now, but this is a long waist length micro braids, which, yeah, you can see. Play with the hair. I know it hurts her right now, so she can't really move it around, but you see how clean it is? Yeah, it is very clean. This is Stunner Babe, an African braider. Yep, see how clean that is?
It doesn't hurt that much.
Yeah, and it doesn't hurt anymore. Yeah, because I put the hot water in and helped to pat the hair. That's why. So this is the long micro size waistline braids. She got it off Jazzy. I did it on Jazzy Girl's hair, which is Rachel on YouTube. And yeah, this is the mic. I said, let me make a little video of her. She loves her hair. So I said, let me make a little video. Do you love your hair?
I love it.
You excited?
Very.
So yeah, so I am going to post my Facebook page below this video. So just click on it. I live in Atlanta, Sandy Springs on Roswell Road. So I'm gonna post my Facebook page that has my number, both of my number. I can't show my face. I'm sorry. I look horrible right now, but my 2 numbers are on my Facebook page. So just send me a Facebook message. You see my number up there. So just click on the link I'm going to post underneath. And yeah, that's the micro size waistline braids. Yay. So yeah, I stay in Atlanta, guys. So yeah, bye. Say bye.
Bye.